What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve this eye look, please stick around. Okay, so I am using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I am going to take, I don't know the names of these colors, but I'm pointing at it, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Taking another transition color, which I am pointing at as well, and I'm gonna blend that into the crease color. I am now gonna take a different brush, and I'm going to pack this brown color into the inner and outer corners of my eye. I've only been doing my eyeshadow for about 3 months, so y'all please bear with me because I'm gonna get better, okay? Okay. I'm now going in with that first transition color that I used, and I'm just going to start blending and making it a more smooth transition. I'm now taking a flat brush, and I am dipping it in this icy color, and I'm going to just pack that into the middle of my lid until I get the desired shimmer that I want. I chose you, 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 I chose you. I am now taking a smudge brush, and I am going to put the colors that I use for my transition on my lash line. I chose you, I chose you, I chose you. So I'm just gonna finish up this eye and kind of fix the other eye, and I ended up just doing the rest of my makeup off camera, but I will insert pictures and an after video, so go ahead and get into this beat, honey. Oh honey, what highlight do you have on though? Like, it's a poppin'. Y'all, it's Color Pop Shayla Bowman. Guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that you like and you share, and I will see you in my next video.